Hey friends, welcome to this video. As you can see, my Windows is not active and it asked me to active my Windows and I have to pay for it. And not just that, my Microsoft Office is also not active and it asks me for the activation. As you can see, I cannot type or the menus are locked. I cannot use any of them. So to fix this problem, you have to go to this website, myskypower.com. Once you're there, come down and you can see something called KMS. If this is not available there, just click on the search and search for KMS. Once you have opened it, come down and there you can see a button called download. Just click on it and it will start to download. It takes a few seconds to be done. Once the download is finished, open it and just extract it. But before opening the software, you have to remember one thing: not open it before doing this step. And that step is to turn off your antivirus or Windows Defender. That's very important. So to do it, go to Windows setting, search for Defender, and you have to make sure to turn off your Windows Defender. If it's not off, just go to setting and turn it off. It must be off. Once you make sure that's off, open the KMS software. Once the software is open, here you can see a button called activation, and the software can active both Windows and Office. Just click on active Windows. Once you have clicked that, the process will be start. It takes a few seconds, so wait for it. In the same time, make sure to have a look on the active Windows on the right down side of my screen. It will be gone once the process is done. Here you see, after a few seconds it will be gone, and there it is. It's gone now. Now I click to active the Microsoft Office and it takes a few seconds, so wait for it, and the process is done. Now my Microsoft Office is also activated. Let's open it. You have to make sure to restart your Microsoft Office to see the changes. So I'm going to close this and open a new Microsoft Word. Here you can see now I can type, the menus are unlocked. I can use any function of Microsoft Office, and the registration message is gone and my Windows is also active. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Thanks for the watching.